This.
So say that again, Tom.
So we prime it first. We prime it first before we put the glazing, so that way the glazing sticks better. And when you scrape it with the blade, it's more easy.
I
Stay
see.
there. Yeah.
Yeah. They're looking much, much better.
Right. See? There you go. And you just go like.
Beautiful.
Wait a little bit.
Nice and tight.
Yeah.
Are there any over here that you've done? Finished?
These
over?
ones are done.
Ah, yeah.
This one's right here.
But what an improvement. My gosh.
Yeah.
I showed some photos of these the other day.
See, this is how they look with no glazing.
And there it is with no glazing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh boy. Very rough.
Oh,
And
yeah.
here's what they look like after you guys have worked on them a little bit. Beautiful.
Yeah.